Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the keyboard itself. Open Settings, go to General, then Keyboard, tap Keyboards to see what's active. Once there, tap Add New Keyboard and choose Emoji from the system list. This makes the emoji icon available on your keyboard globe. If you plan to install a third-party emoji app, only then consider full access. Otherwise, the built-in emoji works without extra permissions. This step ensures the emoji keyboard is present and ready to appear whenever you tap the globe or emoji icon. Next, customize how you reach emoji faster. Go to Text Replacement and add shortcuts that expand into emoji or strings. For example, set shrug to output the desired emoji sequence. Once done, reorder your keyboards in the keyboards list so the emoji keyboard sits next to your primary layout, making the globe toggle predictable. If using a third-party keyboard app, install it, allow the requested permissions, and reposition it. These steps reduce taps and let you access frequently used emoji with a single short trigger. Finally, use and maintain the keyboard properly. Tap the globe or smile icon to open emoji. If you have multiple keyboards, long press the globe to pick one directly. Keep iOS updated so new emoji render correctly and appear in the picker. If an emoji is missing or a keyboard misbehaves, go back to Settings General Keyboard and remove then re-add the keyboard, or uninstall and reinstall any third-party keyboard. If problems persist, restart the iPhone. That usually clears transient issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.